Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make oven roasted tomatoes. You can use this recipe for either plum tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. They just require a little bit different prep and cooking time, and I'll tell you all about how to do that. Today I'm using 2 pounds of cherry tomatoes. Now, if you're using whole plum tomatoes, you'll want to slice them all in half lengthwise, but for cherry tomatoes, we just leave them whole. Drizzle on about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I like to add in a little bit of garlic because, you know, garlic and tomato go together so well. So I add in about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. Now, before you freak out about the sugar, it actually serves a purpose. Sugar not only cuts the acidity in the tomatoes, but it'll also help them to caramelize while baking. Then we'll just toss this all together so that the tomato gets evenly coated with the sugar, salt, garlic, and olive oil. If you're using plum tomatoes, you do the exact same thing. Next, we're going to spread these all out onto a baking sheet. Now, this is an ungreased baking sheet because we already have enough fat with our olive oil. And just spread it out into an even layer. Then we're going to roast these in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. If you're using plum tomatoes, you'll need a little bit longer of a cooking time. You'll want to roast them for 35 to 40 minutes. After the specified roasting time for whatever tomatoes you're using, you should end up with a perfectly caramelized, burst, a little bit shriveled, delicious, full of flavor roasted tomato that is just to die for. You can serve these up in so many different ways, serving up in salads or plain as an addition to chicken. I mean, just so many different ways. Pasta, they are just so good and you are going to love them. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.